video contains 20 most important GK question answer which are very important for SSC, Railway and other competitive exams. So I request you don't skip this video. Please watch it till the end. Then without wasting your time, let's start. Question number 1. What is the capital of India? All of you should know the answer. Right answer, New Delhi. From 1772 to 1911, Calcutta was the capital of British India. And after that, on 12 December in 1911, India's capital shifted from Calcutta to Delhi. Question number 2. Which is the largest state in India by area? Right answer, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a northern Indian state. This state covers an area of 342,239 square kilometers. Jaipur is the capital as well as the largest city of Rajasthan. And for your kind information, Madhya Pradesh is the second largest state in India according to land area. Question number 3. Which is the smallest state in India by area? Right answer, Goa. Yes friends, Goa is the smallest state in India by area. Goa is a state on the southwestern coast of India with 3,702 square kilometers. Panji is the capital city of Goa. Question number 4. Which state has the largest population in India? Right answer, Uttar Pradesh. It's very important. Uttar Pradesh is a northern Indian state. More than 232 million or 23.2 crore people living in this state. By population, Maharashtra is the second largest state in India after Uttar Pradesh. Lucknow is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. Question number 5. Which state has the lowest population in India? Correct answer, Sikkim. Sikkim is a northeastern Indian state. It has border with the country Nepal, Bhutan and Tibet. Approximately 7 lakhs people living in this state. Gangtok is the capital city of Sikkim. Question number 6. Which is the most populous city in India? Right answer, Mumbai. Approximately 23 million or 2.3 crore people living in this city. Mumbai is the capital city of Maharashtra as well as the financial capital of India. It's also very important that which is the financial capital of India. Then the answer will be Mumbai. Question number 7. Which is the largest district in India by area? Right answer, Kutch. Kutch is the district of Gujarat, which is a state on the western coast of India. Kutch covering an area of 45,674 square kilometers. Question number 8. Which is the smallest district of India by area? Right answer, Mahe. Mahe is the smallest district of India. It has an area of 9 square kilometers. Mahe is located in Puducherry, which is one of the 9 Indian territories of India. And for your kind information, before 31st October 2019, India had 7 territories. But from 31st October 2019, Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh are added in this category. Then in present, India has 9 territories. Question number 9. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? It's very important. Right answer, Kerala. Kerala is one of the South Indian states. The literacy rate in Kerala is 93.91%. Can you imagine it? Yes friends, 93.91% people are educated here. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of this state. Question number 10. Which state has the lowest literacy rate in India? Right answer, Bihar. Bihar is an eastern Indian state. The literacy rate in Bihar is just 63.82%. Patna is the capital city of Bihar. Question number 11. Where in India first metro rail was started? It's very important for competitive exams. Right answer, Kolkata. Metro rail was first started in Kolkata on 24th October in 1984 between Damdam to Taliganj. Kolkata is the capital city of West Bengal, which is an eastern Indian state. Question number 12. Who was the first Indian astronaut to go to space? It's very important. Right answer, Rakesh Sharma. In various competitive exams, it has come many times. Rakesh Sharma travels in space on 2nd April in 1984 by Soyuz T-11. He belongs from Patiala, Punjab. Question number 13. Who was the first Indian woman to go to space? Right answer, Kalpana Chawla. American astronaut Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian descent to go to space on 19th November in 1997. On 1st February in 2003, she died in accident in Space Shuttle Columbia when re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. Question number 14. Which is the biggest desert in India? It's also very important. Right answer, Thor. Thor Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. It covers an area of 200,000 square kilometers. Thor is located in the state of Rajasthan. Question number 15. Which is the longest dam in India? Right answer, Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is about 25.8 km long and its height is approximately 262 meters, which is 859 feet. This dam was built on Mahanadi River. It's also very important for competitive exams that on which river Hirakud Dam was built. Then the answer will be Mahanadi River. Hirakud Dam is located at Sambalpur in the state of Odisha. And for your kind information, Hirakud Dam is not only the longest dam in India, but also in the world. Question number 16. Which Indian state is known as Land of Five Rivers? Is very interesting. Right answer, Punjab. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Beas, all these 5 rivers are located in the state of Punjab. Therefore, Punjab is known as Land of 5 Rivers. Question number 17. Chandigarh is a joint capital for both Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is a city as well as a union territory, which serves as the joint capital for both neighbouring states of Punjab and Haryana. Question number 18. Which 3 states of India were formed in 2000? Right answer, Chhattisgarh, Uttaranchal and Jharkhand. And for your kind information, Uttaranchal is now known to us as Uttarakhand. In 2007, Uttaranchal was renamed as Uttarakhand. Question number 19. Allahabad is situated on which bank of river? It's very important. Right answer, at the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati. Allahabad is a renowned city in the state of Uttar Pradesh. This city is also known as Prayag. Question number 20. Which is the longest river of India? Is very important for all competitive exams. Right answer, Ganga. Ganga is the longest river of India. It is about 2525 km long. Ganga is also called the national river of India as well as the sacred river of India. So friends, if you like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video to your friends and relatives in their Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel